Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to customize Word's autocorrect functions. Word has default settings that correct common typos or misspelled words, but it's possible to adjust these settings to match your preferences. So to do this, in any Word document, click the File menu, click Options, and then click the Proofing option on the left, and click the AutoCorrect Options button. Make sure you're in the AutoCorrect tab. So this is the list of customization options that you can set to your preferences. The Correct to Initial Capitals checkbox will automatically correct an error where you accidentally capitalize the first two letters of a word instead of just the first. If you want to add an exception to that rule, such as the word TVs or IDs, click the Exceptions button and the Initial Caps tab. You can see that IDs is already in here, so say I want to put in TVs, type it in this field, click Add, and then click OK. And Word won't automatically correct any words that you have in this list. The Capitalize First Letter of a Sentence checkbox auto-capitalizes the first letter of any sentence. This is helpful if you aren't in the habit of automatically doing this manually. Word recognizes the start of a sentence with a period and a space after. I leave mine unchecked because I often type abbreviations with a period at the end and a space after, but I'm continuing the same sentence and I don't want a capitalization after that word. Capitalize first letter of a table cell does exactly that. It will capitalize the first letter of the first word in any table cell. Capitalize the names of days will auto-capitalize the names of the week, Monday through Sunday. That's helpful if you often forget to do this. And correct accidental usage of the caps lock key will correct any instance where you may have accidentally turned on caps lock. Note that this will not correct a word if you type the entire thing in caps, only if you manually try to capitalize the first letter of the word and you end up with a lowercase letter because caps lock is engaged. The Replace Text as You Type checkbox automatically corrects common typos or misspelled words with a corresponding entry in a master list. There are many existing default entries, as you can see here, but it's possible to add anything you wish. So for myself, I often misspell the word October when I'm typing quickly, so I'll put in my mistaken spelling in the Replace field with what I want Word to correct for me, and click Add, and now this will automatically correct when I make the mistake. And that's everything. Thanks for watching.